along, we come to the brand new Edge Trains under close inspection review area. Welcome to Edge Trains. Gentlemen, welcome to the new review area of Edge Trains. Of course, where we were reviewing trains previously was, well, it was here, which of course is now taken up by a station and A4 Herringle. So today we are reviewing two and a half trains, which are about to leave us because they're going down to Brighton Road Model Railway. They're going down to Brighton Road Model Railway, which is the other model railway in my family. Belongs to my dad, which now belongs to my granddad. Which, yeah. Anyway, what are they? Because that model railway is southern themed. So if anyone knows what's on my layout, they might know what's going down. What are we putting on the X? What's leaving us?
Boom. 1, 2, 2.5. The London and Brighton South Coast Railway E2 tank engines.
How is that end one 2.5? You went 1, 2, and then 2.5. That's a half. That's just a half.
Fine. I'll count them up. Or to be fair, how's the middle one? 2.
Alright, there you go. Yes, LBSC. London, Brighton and South Coast Railway E2 tanks. We have 2.5, like we said. So let me introduce you to the nicknames that we have. This is the original one from the family. This has been in the family for about 30 years. We've had this. This locomotive was given the nickname Eastbourne, with the different boiler. If you notice, they all have different boilers. So that's Eastbourne, and this is Billington, because the E2s were Billington tanks. And then this is Croydon. So yeah, let's have a look. We're gonna have a look at even though this one's got the Eastbourne's got the original kind of like boiler cap. I'll have a look at Billington, because Billington is like the best condition. So they all kind of feature a whistle at the top, side tanks, boiler, funnel, handrails near the edge, top. They are 060 type locomotives, so good for shunting, suburban passengers, and light freight. Anything else you'd like to say?
Yep. These. Right, so an E2 is a 060 tank engine, which these ones are the originals. The first batch of 5 were like this. The next batch of 5 were given extended side tanks and bunker.